Ah, good morning. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some breakfast. So, what do we got? Well, those of you who know this channel know that I tend to take sort of a cavalier attitude with bread. So the other day I'm watching Jacques Pepin reruns, and he makes Fougasse. Says he goes to the supermarket, buys their pizza dough, spreads it out round, puts a few grooves in it, and makes some bread. So I did that using my generic pizza dough kind of stuff, and it's Mrs. Chef's newest favorite food. So what do we got? Well, I got, for round that size, I got half a tablespoon of yeast. Just standard issue dry yeast, buy at the supermarket. Yippee. I got half a cup of water. Yeah. I got my scientific mixing tool. Little salt. And just a hint of sugar goes into that water. Mix that up. Add flour. It's going to be about 1.5 cups of flour. 3 to 1, just until it's not sticky. Just put it in the bowl with your scientific mixing tool and stab and mix it all up until it's just basically, clay. Just lightly sticky clay. How do you know it's lightly sticky? You touch it. If you can pick it up and move it around, it's dough, it's clay, and all of that stuff. Okay, so you let that sit. It's going to double in size. I like to let mine sit overnight, but that's me. If you let it sit a couple hours, that'll be fine. Press it out thin. And I mean, this was really thin. Press it out really thin, pizza-like. And you decorate it. I do kind of a sand dollar pattern myself. But you can do whatever you want. People make leaves, whatever. The thing you're after is the crust. And to get that, you need indentations, you need swirls, you need texture. So then you top it with a little bit of herbs de Provence. And just a sprinkle of salt. Yeah, salted bread with herbs. Swirl a little olive oil on top. And throw it in your magic oven on a piece of parchment paper. Hey, did I just make that sound really easy? Well, it is. Mine has to cook for about half an hour at 400 degrees. Yeah, that's all it is to make bread. That's all it is to make fresh bread. Ideally, you do it the night before, but if you wake up a couple hours earlier, you can do it then. Half a cup of water, half a tablespoon yeast, salt, sugar, flour. Lay it out thin, cut some pretty designs in it. Top it with salt, herbs de Provence, and a little bit of olive oil. Bake it on a piece of parchment paper. So that's what's been for breakfast for a few days now. We're very fond of it. I'm the Awful Chef. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you.